Hello, rcmorigami here and welcome to another quick origami mask tutorial. This one is called the Berserker, and actually I teach this one at the Electric Castle workshop last year, and it was pretty fun there. So let's start. For this one we need the paper square. I have right here watercolor paper 160 GSM, and I don't suggest you to use wet folding technique because the bottom part of the mask, it's kind of tricky if the paper is wet. So you can use it to shape it at the end, but not on the process. So let's start. First we need the diagonals. I already have one. So it's like this. And now we need the middle lines. Okay, now take the bottom corners and bring it to the middle. Like this. Unfold and turn the model over. We have these lines here. We need to align it with the middle one. It goes like this, and fold the whole line like this, and same thing here. It should unite up here. And form a little square here. Okay, now turn the model over and bring the bottom corner to the top like this, and make a firm crease here. Unfold, turn the model over, and we need to divide this in half. This one is just for reference. Don't insist too much on it. And now we need to divide these parts here in half again. So bring this one to the middle line like this, and now we need to strengthen that crease, and same thing here with this line. Bring it to the middle. And strengthen that from behind. Like this. Now take this edge here and bring it to the middle, like this. And unfold. Now we have this point here. We need to unite it with this point here with a valley fold here. So take this layer and bring it aside, and just make sure to start from that point there where this lines intersects with this line here and this line here too. So it goes like this, up to that point. Same thing on the other side. Take this one aside, find that point of intersection and unite it with this point here. Like this. Now bring everything down and fold the little lines like this. Now we need to take this edge here and fold it forward, but but leave a little space here so it won't get to the top part. Just a centimeter or something like that. Leave it open like this. Now take this diagonal here and align it with this little line here, something like this, and this corner push it like that. Same thing on the other side. Take the diagonal, align it with this little line, something like this, and take the corner. You have this line here, you can use as reference to form this little triangle. Okay, now we need to take this edge here and align it with this line here. It's the diagonal from the beginning. So take this one to this one, goes like this, and fold it like that. Yeah. And the same thing here. Okay, now we need the mountain fold somewhere around here. Something like this. You don't actually fold it to this point here, it's gonna look better this way. So we have this mountain that we just made, and fold on the middle line as belly, like this. And turn the model over, and we need to secure this little fold with a triangle here, like this. You have to hide it behind. Okay. And now we need to shape a bit the horse. And for that, put a finger behind like this, and actually fold your finger. We don't need firm creases here, just the round shape. Okay, and now we can move to the eyes. I usually use the paper behind for the eyes, but for this one we're gonna use just the bottom part. So you need to keep it from the middle, put one finger behind here, and with the other finger push really hard the edge, so it's gonna form a curved line there. First just half, and then keep it from the side and push again to form the curved line like this. You have to push it really hard because there are many layers there. And do the same thing here. Keep it from the middle, one finger behind, and push really hard like this, and keep it from the side and push again. I actually went too close on this one, so I need to reshape it a bit. Okay, something like this. And now the tricky part. For the bottom we need to pull these two layers aside and push this part here from behind, so it's gonna be like this. Put one finger behind and pull gentle aside, and be careful not to tear the paper. Sometimes it doesn't really want to go out, but just get your finger there and help it a little bit to form here a curved line, and maintain these lines here. As much as possible. Now we need to shape a bit the cheeks. Need a curved line here. Something like this. And the same thing on the other side, and try to be symmetrical. I know that sometimes it doesn't really go. Something like this. And one last thing, we need to hide these corners. Turn the model over and just fold this down like so, and the other one too. And that's it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please hit that button. You can check out the others math tutorial there. So see you on the next math tutorial. Adios.